Looks like a bear. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm here. Can't believe I'm doing this. I wish I had my glasses, bro. I don't have pepper spray. Or bear spray or knife. Oh my gosh. I don't have anything to protect me. I could be tripping, but that really looks like a bear. And it was just where I was. I did hear some moaning and groaning. It's like I have a mountain to myself. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, please, Lord God, be with me. There's no one else on this freaking mountain. I have not seen anyone else. It's time to keep on going up. I thought some mountain goats were wolves. And I turned around so fast, like a black person would. Sorry for stereotyping. I was going down that mountain, and then I started to see like red, and I'm thinking blood. I'm like, oh nah, there's been some fights here. Woo! Oh my gosh! I don't stand a chance, man. Let's keep it pushing. Dude. Oh! It was weird noises. Okay. Woo! Whoa! All right. Whoa!